In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar sync problem. If your events aren't showing up, look out of date, or changes made on one device aren't appearing on another, these quick, reliable fixes usually get things back on track without any complicated troubleshooting. First, refresh Google Calendar. If you're on the web, press Ctrl plus R on your keyboard. That forces the page to reload and asks the calendar to fetch the newest data from Google's servers. You can also use your browser's refresh button if that's easier. After you refresh, give it a few moments to pull in updates, especially if you have a lot of calendars or shared calendars connected. This simple step resolves many temporary glitches caused by a stale browser session or a momentary network hiccup. As you wait, watch for event lists and time blocks to repopulate. If your recently added or edited events appear, you're good to go. If your calendar still looks out of sync after a refresh, the next fix is to sign out of your Google account and sign back in. In Google Calendar on the web, click your profile icon in the top right corner, choose Sign Out and Confirm. This clears the current session and refreshes your account's connection to Calendar, then sign back in with your Google account and complete any prompts to verify your identity. Make sure you pick the same account that holds your calendars, especially if you manage multiple accounts. When you land back in Calendar, give it a little time to resync. You may see events populate gradually as the connection reestablishes. This step often fixes issues caused by expired tokens or background errors that a simple page reload can't address. A couple of quick notes as you try these fixes: don't worry, refreshing the page or signing out and back in won't delete your events or calendars. Your data is stored safely in your account. If you use shared calendars for work or family, you might notice them load slightly after your personal events. That's normal. Also, if you recently made a lot of changes, syncing can take a minute or two. Be patient and let the process finish before trying again. That's it. Start with a refresh, then sign out and sign back in if needed. These two actions resolve most sync problems quickly and cleanly. If your calendar looks up to date after that, you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this got your schedule back in sync.